Have you ever wondered how plants breathe without having lungs or a nose? The answer lies in tiny microscopic pores called stomata. Let's discover how these tiny openings keep plants alive. Stomata are tiny pores found mainly on the lower surface of leaves. Each stoma is surrounded by two guard cells that control its opening and closing. When the stomata open, carbon dioxide (CO2) enters the leaf for photosynthesis. Oxygen O2 produced during photosynthesis diffuses out into the atmosphere. At the same time, water vapor also escapes through a process called transpiration. Transpiration is the process by which water is lost as water vapor from the aerial parts of plants, mainly through the stomata on leaves. As water evaporates from the leaf surface, it creates a transpiration pull that draws more water and minerals upward from the roots through the xylem. Transpiration helps plants by transporting water and minerals from roots to leaves, cooling the plant much like sweating cools our body, maintaining water balance and cell turgidity, supporting photosynthesis by ensuring a continuous water supply. Plants have an incredible ability to convert light energy into food through a process called photosynthesis. Let's see how it works. This process takes place inside the chloroplasts. Water is absorbed by the roots and transported to the leaves through the xylem. Carbon dioxide from the atmosphere enters the leaf through tiny pores called stomata. During this process, oxygen is released as a byproduct through the stomata into the atmosphere. The oxygen formed during photolysis is not needed by the plant in large amounts, so it diffuses out of the leaf through the stomata and enters the atmosphere. Chlorophyll absorbs sunlight and uses this energy to combine carbon dioxide and water to produce glucose, a simple sugar that serves as food for the plant. Photosynthesis is nature's way of converting sunlight into life. If you found this explanation helpful, like, share and subscribe for more NEET biology, NCERT chapter explanations, MCQs, PYQs, and easy to understand science videos.